New technological innovations make electrical appliances smaller and usually more energy efficient. So why not a motor? Why not get more power from the same motor or the same power from a smaller motor? ABB offers a new alternative for variable speed applications. The first ABB synchronous reluctance motor and drive packages are available for variable torque applications. The ABB synchronous reluctance motor utilizes a new rotor design without winding or magnets, keeping the rotor exceptionally cool. In the ABB high output motor, the dramatic reduction of rotor losses has been turned into a new motor design, which is up to 2 frame sizes smaller compared with a traditional induction motor with the same output. This compactness is designed for your advantage. The traditional induction motors are getting bigger in order to meet increasingly stringent energy efficiency standards. Even if compactness is the obvious advantage of the high output motor, the designers have not compromised efficiency. Typically, the high output motor meets or exceeds the IE3 induction motor's efficiency with variable speed drive supply. Now, the total system efficiency can be improved with a more compact, high-output motor. A commercially competitive alternative to traditional and other technologies.